If you type in Indic scripts like Odia, Bengali, or Hindi, you know the frustration. You press the keys for two separate consonants, and the software immediately snaps them together into a tight, merged cluster. To stop this automatic merging, you need a specific invisible tool called the zero-width non-joiner, encoded as U+200C. In this video, we will walk through exactly how to insert this invisible character using AI assistants like ChatGPT, native computer keyboard shortcuts, and mobile devices. By understanding how to place this hidden Unicode command, you gain precise control over how your text renders on any screen. Let's look at the Odia word mukta to see exactly how this works in practice. This diagram shows standard joining. Placing a halant between ka and ta automatically combines them into a single vertical conjunct. Moving right, inserting the U+200C character directly after the halant blocks the merge. The letters stay separate, and the halant remains clearly visible. You might wonder why we don't simply hit the spacebar. A standard space breaks the word entirely, treating it as two distinct words. The zero-width non-joiner, as its name implies, adds no physical gap. It acts strictly as a structural command. It tells the software to keep the grammatical integrity of the single word intact, while forcing a specific, separated visual display. If you don't want to memorize system codes, the most foolproof way to generate this formatting is by using an AI assistant. Here is the instruction to give ChatGPT. Write the Odia word mukta, but insert a U200C character between the ka and ta so they don't join. The AI processes this and returns the text exactly as requested, correctly rendering the separated components. Once the AI generates the word, you just highlight it and copy it straight from the chat interface to your device's clipboard. From there, you paste the properly formatted text into your final destination, whether that is a standard Word document or a social media post. Relying on ChatGPT for this process removes the friction of complex keyboard configurations. It makes invisible Unicode commands accessible through plain English instructions. For power users who format Indic scripts daily, typing it out manually on a local device is much faster than opening a web browser. In the manual insertion guide, Windows users can open the Character Map application. Check Advanced View to search directly for U+200C and insert it. Alternatively, if you have a number pad, bypass the character map entirely by holding the Alt key and typing 8204. Formatting on mobile devices requires a slightly different approach, as iOS and Android keyboards lack these native Alt codes. First, acquire the invisible character by copying it from a site like Unicode Explorer or a ChatGPT prompt. As shown in the second bullet point, paste that copied character directly into your phone's internal keyboard text replacement settings, assigning it an easy text shortcut. Taking 3 minutes to configure this shortcut once creates a permanent system-level capability. You gain total independence over your script formatting on any personal device. You now possess the exact mechanism required to override default text rendering and dictate precisely how complex scripts appear on screen. This document outlines the primary professional arenas where this skill is mandatory: executing precise Unicode typography, displaying isolated phonemes for language research, correcting missing ligatures on buggy systems, and breaking down characters for educational content. The footer of this guide sums it up perfectly. Small character, big difference. A microscopic string of invisible code is all it takes to solve a major typographical roadblock. Knowing how to deploy these underlying Unicode mechanics allows creators to preserve pure linguistic accuracy across modern digital platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more